Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another kind of mini clothing haul for you. I just thought I would put together a video of a few items that I picked up over the last few weeks. I'm just realizing that a lot of them are kind of green and white, which is apparently what I'm really into as of late. But I will start off with this blouse. It is Ulla Johnson and I got it on sale at a store in Toronto called TNT. They have really great designer pieces, but they have awesome sales at, I guess, the end of July and then over Christmas, maybe into January, I can't remember. But anyways, they have really great sales. So I got this for I think like 60% off. The neck goes a little bit like that, but I just have to press it up properly. But it's quite similar to the Ulla Johnson dress that I got. But I really love it and I couldn't resist the sale. It's kind of Isabel Marant-ish and I just think it's so cute. It's a little bit fashiony. It does up in the back. It's kind of sheer right here. It's got some really nice ruffles. Here, let me show you the blouse untucked. This is what it looks like untucked, so you can definitely wear it this way as well. I like it tucked into jeans just because I find it really flattering to hit right at your natural waistline, but it's really cute. So that is a definite score for me. I definitely need to kind of press this up. I think I have a small neck because it kind of is quite big in the neck, so I might get it taken in a little bit there. Next up, I've got these pants from Aritzia, which obviously need a good press. I got these on sale. They are Le Fou Wilfred. Don't hate me, but I don't know if they're available anymore. I'll have to scour the website for you. So yeah, they're kind of like culottes and they go in really nicely at the waist. I got them hemmed at the bottom so that they hit me at a flattering length and so that I could wear them with like sandals. They have big pockets here. They have pockets in the butt. They're maybe a little bit small. I could have gone up a size, but this was the only size that they had and they're 50% off, so whatever. I don't know, they're kind of man repeller pants, but I love them. I actually really like this outfit, which I think is an entirely man repeller outfit, but what the fuck, I'm married, who cares? Do we like it like this better or tucked? I kind of like the tuck, I think. Just kind of like that. I don't know. Anyways, definitely going to be wearing this outfit very soon if I ever go out. I've been waiting to wear that white Ulla Johnson dress for I think a few weeks now. Just haven't gone out. Haven't done anything that would warrant wearing a nice dress. I guess it's because we got the puppy, who is currently fast asleep under the chair right next to mommy. Dio, my love, you are just completely out. So I paired them with my Segerson Morrison sandals that I've been wearing like crazy this summer. I will link those for you as well. And then this is the Ulla Johnson top that I had on with jeans. Really into the green, obviously. This is a Veronica beard dress that they sent me and I really like it. I would definitely size down. This is a size 2 and I probably would have gone for a 0, but it's just super comfy. Hello. Hello, baby. It's really comfy. I love the button detail. I really like that you can cinch it in at the waist. The back, oh yeah, that's the only thing. Sometimes the back gets like folded down and you can see the label, which is not the best, so just be aware of that. So many of you guys asked about this dress. This is what I wore for my Beauty Counter Instagram Live. I think this will be perfect for like a transition into fall. You can wear it right now in the summer and then you can wear it with a sweater underneath or over top. You can wear it with boots. It's really cute. And I'm obsessed with the color. It comes in navy, but I just love this green. I think it's so beautiful. And it's also got some like white stitching detail. But yeah, definitely size down in this one. All right, next is this linen jacket from H&M. It's for sure not linen. It's like polyester or something. It's even got like a bit of a sheen to it. I don't even think it's like a linen blend, but anyways, I really wanted kind of like an oversized beige blazer to wear with like shorts and jeans during the summer, something light, something that was summery but kind of pulled everything together. So this one is from H&M. It obviously needs a really good press. I'm wondering if it's a little bit too big, but I do kind of like the oversized look. What do you guys think? Can you let me know in the comments, please? I would love your guys' opinion. But I think I like it. Is it too Miami Vice with the sleeves rolled up? I don't know, I think I like it. I think I'm into it after a good press. And lastly, these very cute classic Vans. Bicom PR very kindly sent me and Andrew a pair of Vans as kind of like a little wedding gift, and I just love them. They're so cute, and that was really, really sweet of them. These are kind of the platform ones. I think the classic ones have a smaller sole, but I liked the platform. I need any height I can get. I think they'll look really cute with jeans and a tee or dresses. I actually really like them with this outfit. I think I got a tan on my legs today, which is always very helpful. All right, I hope that that was entertaining or helpful or whatever it is that you get from these videos. I really enjoy doing them, and I'm really having fun creating YouTube content. As always, if you have any requests, please let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and I will see you next time. Say bye, Theo. No, you are just out, my darling. Good night.